Ayan. Nako, medyo maingay. Sorry. Good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright, nandito tayo sa Green Heights, Marikina, Barangay Nangka. So, ito po property, hindi inaabot ng yung pinaka-recent na Typhoon Carina. Teka lang. Yung garage, good for one SUV. Kahit may motor, kasya pa po. So, ito yung ating living area. Ayan. Okay. Naka-cove ceiling. Yung cove light nyo. Meron kayo dito ang storage area. Right? Then, dito yung inyong magiging dining and kitchen area. Right. Meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Okay. By the way, yung lot area is around 65 to 70 square meter. Yan. So ito yung service area. Sorry, ingay. Ganito yung kitchen. Sorry, maingay. Dito yung dining area nyo, ha? By the way, isa na lang po yung unit na available. Tapos, possible for low down payment po ito. Okay, so this is the second floor. Naingay. Sa kapitbahay. Meron tayong common toilet and bath for 2 bedroom. Yung master, mamaya pasukin natin, may sariling toilet and bath. So, ito yung 2 bedroom dito, second floor. So, decent size po yung size ng bedroom dito sa second floor. Tingnan nyo, baka hindi ano eh. Ayan. Ayan no. Diba? Ito yung isang bedroom. Okay? Again, ito yung common toilet and bath nila para sa 2 bedrooms. Ito naman yung master bedroom natin. Pakita ko yung space. Yan. Yan. Tapos ito, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Okay. So yung price, 7.8 million. Pwedeng low down payment. Depende po sa combined monthly income na maglo-loan. Pwede po kayo magpa-assess sa akin. Alright, veterans na po tayo dyan. Tapos, meron po tayo dito ang balcony. Again, hindi po ito binaha. Okay? Ayan, ito yung space for master bedroom. Alright. So again, this is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Message lang po sa mga interested buyer. And 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Mobile and Viber ready na po yan. Yan lang po sa ngayon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.